Hi, this is Madam Pamita, and I hope you enjoy this clip from my live magic Q&A. If you'd like to see the full recording of the live magic Q&A, you can do so. All you have to do is be a part of my coven. And to do that, all you have to do is click the link below or go to patreon.com/Madam Pamita. I hope you become a part of my coven and enjoy this clip. My question is this: for most things, I don't even have to do a spell. I just manifest the thing as soon as I think about it, or I'm grateful for it. But for a couple of big things, I still have so much resistance. What is the best way to overcome this resistance, especially since I have so much evidence that I'm a very powerful manifester, healer, magician, fortune teller for most things? Thanks so much, and happy to be back with you tonight. I'm happy to have you here, Vivian. So if you think about this, here's the thing. I've been focusing on this with a lot of folks, actually, and talking about this with a lot of folks, which is timing in magic. So you are manifesting like crazy, right? You're bippity bopping around and you're making things happen and it's flowing. But sometimes things need to line up. So I'll give a little example. I had a wish that I made a long time ago, like probably 4 years ago, 5 years ago. I made a wish. I made that wish. I made it with confidence. I did a spell on it. I spoke it to a friend that I confided in. This is what I'm working on right now. And then I let it go. I let it go. It was a big wish for my career, right? It was a wish that was attainable and wasn't expected to be attainable right away. Did the spell, and then I forgot about it. Let it marinate. Well, it turns out that things had to line up for me to manifest this thing. Things had to happen in the material world for me to manifest this big thing that I wanted. This isn't a very good story because I'm not telling you what it is because I'm still in the last stages of it. When it's real, I'll tell you what it is and then you'll know. Anyway, so the point of it is that I didn't sit there going, oh, my spell didn't work. Like I did that spell and I didn't get it the next day. So that spell didn't work. I just let it be. I would advise you, the best thing you can do is to relax about the timing. I think you are such a good manifester that you now have the expectation that you can manifest everything instantly. But there may be some things that the universe has to line up or that have to transpire on the material realm for you to get those things. It's not a punishment. It's just what I call perfect outcome and perfect timing. Perfect outcome and perfect timing means I trust the universe, trust spirit, whatever you want to call it, to manifest those things at the right time. And that may mean that there are some things that have to happen before that happens. But what I don't do is sit there and go, my spell didn't work just because I saw no result right away. Oh, my spell didn't work. I never do that. I might do another spell, or I might go, oh, I want to give that some more energy, or I might think about it, whatever. But I do never, ever, ever say I have never said I had a spell that didn't work. I had spells that produced a result that I didn't maybe want after a while. Love spells, for one. But I never say a spell didn't work. So I would say, here's what you need to do. Maybe you need to put it out there. And if you want some support, do an open roads energy, do a blockbuster thing, get rid of anything that's blocking these things from happening, but also be patient with your magic. Don't get into the mindset of if it doesn't have an immediate result, it isn't happening. It might be some things have to line up. But if you want to help things along, you can do a blockbuster spell. You can do a road opener spell. You can do a vigil candle, blockbuster or open roads. You could do a 7 knob candle in orange dressed with blockbuster oil or open roads oil, and so on. So think about maybe supporting it with some extra magic that you can do to get rid of something that is blocking it, and then be patient with it. That can be a good way to work.